I'm just out of a really interesting chat on Slack in a group I'm a member of about standing out from the crowd. How do you make your business stand out from all of the competition? And it was interesting to watch this chat unfold because a lot of people were saying, well, my product features are the best, our service is the best, so on and so forth. And to me, while of course they underpin everything because that's actually what you're selling, the way to make it stand out is down to three things: the story, people, and emotion. Why does this business exist? What's its tale? Why has it gone to this point in time, and what's made that happen? Really important. People. Who are the people driving it forward? Who are the people that make this? Who are the people that are behind the service that is offered? We want to relate to people as humans, and that is a key factor in standing out. What's unique about you and your team? Share that. And the other one is emotion. What is a customer going to feel when they experience your product or use your service? What problems is it going to solve that really are a big part of their professional life or their personal life, whatever it may be? There are three things that I think are vital: story, people, and emotion. Do you agree? What do you think? What do you do to stand out from the crowd? I'd love to know, because it's so important to have our head above everybody else in this super competitive market we're all in today. Please do share. I'd love to get a little chat about this. Thanks.